install APK files on Android, on any Android device. So basically I have downloaded this APK file called Facebook's app basically. And here is how you can install it. Now there are two options to install it. Either you can get into the download section, tap on this app option, and as you can see there is an option, do you want to install this app? Tap on install and you will install the app, but in some cases you might see this error. So when you install APK on some Samsung devices, you might see an option like app not installed. So like I'm clicking on this, tapping on install, and this is the option, can't install APK from unknown sources. So what you have to do right now is to get into your mobile settings first, and you have to disable two settings basically. So simply search for unknown resources, matlab unknown sources. You have to search for this, and if you have the latest version of One UI, it might have some difference. So simply tap on the search bar, tap on auto block, and in the security and privacy you might find the auto block right here. So simply tap on the auto block option and simply disable this option to install APKs from websites or to install APK from other websites. So simply turn this off option right here and turn it off. So after turning it off, get back into the file manager. Suppose if you want to install the same APK from file manager, tap on get into the my file option. Here is how you can find the APK files. Tap on installation files. So here is the Facebook APK. Tap on the Facebook APK, then hit the install button. So this is how you can install any application or any APK file on Android. I hope you found the information helpful about installing APK files. That's it.